And you know, of course, there's many people who claim that they know Michael Prophet, but I can assure you, the gentleman standing next to me, a super DJ entertainer in his own right. It's great to see Clint Eastwood.
Yes,
welcome.
Man. Enough respect. Well, Prophet, it's sad, a sad night tonight, but we are trying to enjoy ourselves as much as we can. Prophet was one of the people who, me and Prophet know each other from I was about 14-year-old.
Very young.
Yeah, we meet each other in a place called the Bambulan round Cockburn Pen. And it was a competition tonight. And Linval Thompson came around there. And we go around there, Prophet did there. Prophet was one of the household singers them at the time around there. And I go there and start do my thing. And after that, Prophet becomes one of the main singers them inside every night, and I start DJ. After that, Yabiu scout both of us at the time, and we start work for Yabiu at the time. And at the time I went mainstream. Prophet didn't go mainstream because Prophet was still going to school. You know, but from that time until then, me and Prophet know each other. Then I leave the Yabiu them and go to Bonnelly them and Channel 1 and things like that, and we'll come to England and meet Prophet. The whole would live together in Labor Grove and hang out together. I haven't seen Prophet for quite a while still, you know, because of circumstances, you know.
True.
But
so tell me, Eastwood, what was it about Prophet that made him so different from the rest of the artists? What was it?
Well, Prophet did have a unique style, because at the time when we grew up in the late 70s, every artist have to have a style, in a signature where them come with at all time. And Prophet's style was unique, because you'd have Barrington Levy at the time coming up, you know. And don't forget about it, Junior Reid was also coming up. So them people was doing them things same way. Them didn't even worry about nothing. So you find the Prophet did have a unique style, and the type of lyrics he used to create, it was different from everybody. So it take Prophet at times still. Prophet didn't blow up like everybody else. It took him a time because he did work hard on that style.
And he was holding on to the roots seriously, wasn't he?
Yeah, Prophet never let go the roots. Prophet always hold on the roots. Not one time in my life, because remember, you know, where Prophet I come from is a roots table. Yabiu them not do nothing but roots music, and everything Yabiu do having Rasta. And Yabiu did have a set of people around him. And remember, Prophet was the only Yabiu artist. Prophet was the only one on top of Yabiu's lip. Because Yabiu they love Prophet. You know, Prophet was one of the main things. But like I say, I know Prophet from, me and Prophet is literally the same age.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
And I know him as from 14. And we come from far.
And he had a very strange sense of humor as well.
Yeah, he have his own little way, he have a unique way. He was kind of different to him himself, because if you see Prophet dressed different from most artists still. From you see me, you know say he's an artist. One time you could have never see Prophet and know say he's an artist that. You will go up to him and ask him what is his name, because you just know he's an artist. He dressed that way there all the time.
And him carry that all the way through.
Yeah. Prophet carried that all the way through. I remember saying, you know, Prophet grew up in a Greenwich farm as well. And when he grew up in a Greenwich farm, he have some tough artists go amongst them time there. The cornerstone man them, because them man there was proper singer them. You know, you can't remember some of them, you know.
So how will you remember him as a personal brethren?
As a personal brethren, a guy who always loved me and always him support me and sing in the 80s as well, because he used to come to a show and him always well excited about it. You know, so I will always remember Prophet as a guy who enjoy himself, have a lot of fun and love for joke all the time.
Yeah, so he was happy about your success still?
Oh, Prophet. Yeah, Prophet was happy about whatever me do and whatever I do, because remember we're coming from the same place, Kingston 13, where more or less come through the same circuit. You know, at the time things was different because there was bigger artists, better artists, and me and Prophet come through the same kind of circuit. Then we know John them and all them people we work for the same people we come to England, we be with the same record label, we live in the same house, things like that. So we know each other from way back.
Yeah,
you know.
Well, Eastwood, it's great to see you and great to hear the memories between you and Michael, you know. But I'm blessed for talking to us.
Yeah, man. R.I.P. to Michael Prophet.
And of course, the music business is all about the generations, and without a doubt, it's a pleasure to welcome the offspring of Michael Prophet, Michael Haynes, and this is Ezra. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
First of all, our condolences.
Thank you. Yeah.
And you seem to be holding up strong.
I'm very strong. It hasn't hit me yet, but I think at the funeral it will hit me. But I know that my dad wouldn't want to see me upset, so I'm just very strong right now.
So you can see the warmth that there is to your father. What are your thoughts on that?
I really appreciate it, and I didn't know that he was loved this much, and I really do appreciate all the people that's helping us right now.
Right. And is there a particular music of your father that you like?
Gunman is my favourite song, and Conscious Man, because when I was young, it does say Desiree, but I used to think it was Esri because it's my name, but yeah. But that is my favourite song. Yeah.
And the question is, are you a singer yourself?
No. My dad told me I should, but I don't think I can sing.
You never know till you try it.
Yeah.
So I must ask you, what will be the lasting memory of your father, would you say? I know it's a difficult question to ask a daughter.
Recently I've got a brand new car. My dad loves, he's a car man.
Wow.
And he's very proud of me. So the last memory I remember is me picking up my brand new car, and it wouldn't be, without my dad I wouldn't have got the car. So yeah, that is my last memory, but seeing him proud of me of what I've done in my life.
Thank you so much for taking the time out, and just be strong and keep strong, all right? Bless you.
Thank you so much.
Celebrating the life of Michael Prophet, and here is one of UK's premier musician, Black Steel. Tell me your thoughts about Michael Prophet.
Well, he's a great man to work with. First time playing bass with him for the first time in Europe, and the second tour in the United States of America, that was in Utah. We had a wonderful time. When you see me perform barefoot, boy, and take off his shoes and start perform there, the people in America, they love him very, very, very dearly. And then we start working in Ariwa Studios with Matt Professor, and it was very fantastic, you know. And so right now, Matt Professor now is putting all the tracks together for Michael Prophet to be released soon. So, but you just have to watch out for it, you know. I don't know what it's going to be, but I know it's going to be the very best of Michael Prophet. So he's a true prophet, and otherwise he was known as Yabiyu and the Prophets, and that's where the name, now he stick with that name. Otherwise he would have been known as Michael Hayes. Nah. So now he's known as Michael Prophet. So Yabiyu was the one who produced him and made him a solo artist, and right now he went solo and he did so well.
Yeah, man.
So my favorite was the woman whom I love, she leaves me just because I ain't got no money. That's my favorite song I ever loved. Trust me.
Bless up Black Steel.
And thank you one more time. Yeah, blessings. Michael Prophet, you'll always be in my heart, you'll always be in my soul, you'll always be in my thoughts, you'll always be on my mind, always and forever. You'll always be in me. Your voice. I always greet you with that all the time when I see you.
Love that. Bless, man.
Blessed love every time. Yes. Thank you. Blessings every time. Almighty.
Marcy, how you doing? It's great to see you.
Blessed love, my brother. Blessed love.
Tell me about the legacy of Michael Prophet.
The legacy of Michael Prophet. He's 75, walking through the grove, singing his famous wail, and being the beautiful person that he was. So may he rise in power, everlasting and blessed love.
Greetings, thank you. Yes, celebrating the life of Michael Prophet, we've got one of the UK's premier musician on my left, and premier singer, of course, Johnny Orlando.
Johnny Orlando, yeah, man.
Your thoughts about Michael Prophet?
Well, I like his music, and we appear in shows sometimes, you know. I watch his energy, and I'm telling you, this guy music will live on for a long time. Michael Prophet, safe journey home.
And of course you have something similar in that the great dancers that you are on stage.
Yeah, man, well, you got to do in this music business, you got to, you know, you got to really entertain people. And all I got to say right now is, Michael, This little light of yours, you're gonna let it shine. This little light of yours, I know it's gonna, and it's so on and so on for a long time.
Bless up Johnny. And of course, Henry Matic.
Yeah, respect.
Boy, obviously you and Michael go a long way.
Yes, a very long way, you know what I mean, with Dabasanti Band, of course, you know, culture promotions too, you know. I feel it for my brother right now, you know.
True.
Because, you know, the other day we was just in Israel doing a show, you know, which was his last show, which I did not know, you know. But, you know, we have to give thanks and blessings for what is left. It's the legacy, what is left, you know, like many other great Jamaican musicians. And it was a privilege for me to be one of his, he to call me one of his brethren, you understand? So, you know.
What do you think his legacy will be?
Well, his legacy, everybody know the Gunman tune, you know. But, you know, of course, we are going to explain the Gunman tune because, you see, the Gunman tune is a real life situation for him, which actually made it for him to leave Jamaica and come to England and to, you know, to live and to make money and whatever, you know, because he got robbed, because he really got robbed by gunmen.
That's a true story.
Yes, it's a very true story coming from his mouth that he got robbed, and when they took all his gold and left him dry, and he didn't know what to do, and then he went to, I think it was Jonja, and go to Jonja, and he write the song, and he recorded tune Gunman, which was what happened to him, and that just happened to be his biggest song, and he get everything back plus more. So, you know, it's a blessing.
Yeah, man.
So, you know,
most definitely.
Blessing in disguise. But anyway, yeah, I think we have some more big artists over here, you know, which is my brethren, Winston Francis.
You tell them my name. You tell them my name up your line.
No, I won't feel like that.
Winston.
You know what? I'm a brethren.
Yeah, man. Yes. Yeah, man. Yes.
Good to see there's a hope of joy still, even though in the midst of sadness.
Well, let them say, you know, in the midst of life there is death. You know, and you know, the reason why there's so much joy is because the man that we're here to celebrate his life was a joyful person. He was a very giving person, you know, because I personally knew Michael.
I was going to say, you know him off stage, because a lot of people don't see him on stage, and you know Michael on stage, but off stage?
No, off stage, that's what I'm trying to say to you, he's a gentleman, he was a giver. Also, he was a gentleman that he wouldn't take no nonsense from you. You know, if you wanted him to work, he would work. If you ask him to come and do something for you for nothing, he'll come and do something for you for nothing.
Very charitable person.
Very charitable person. That's the reason why you see so many people here tonight. You know, they're not here to celebrate a star. They're here to celebrate a great human being for which Michael Prophet was. You know,
so what will his legacy be, you think?
His legacy will be his music and the good that he did. Because the guy, to me, the legacy is the guy that saw him on the street and said, "Sir Prophet, beg you 5 pounds are hungry," and him say, "All this youth, all this tenor." That is the legacy, that because he did this numerous amount of times. Like I said, he was a very giving person. He gave to everybody who asked him, and that is a legacy he leave behind. Apart from his beautiful music, and you know, inspired so many women, you know, and loads of people. But it's the man himself, Michael Prophet, that I am going to remember, who was such a kind person. You understand? Anything that is going on, Michael will be the first to volunteer. I will do it for you for nothing. And that is a man I will love and I will always remember.
Yeah, man. Bless you, Winston. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Blessing.
Yes, sir. And of course, someone who works on both sides of the music business as a producer and even selling it as well too. So you make it, produce it, you sell it. And of course, Michael Prophet, a legend in the business. What does Michael Prophet mean to you? What does he mean to you as a?
Well, Prophet is a part of the soundtrack of my life from I was young. You know, Michael Prophet has had me on my toes, you know, skanking. He was like, new Michael Prophet, Yes, you know what I mean? He was always on point. You know, from Yabby U, you know, from he was very young, and then he went with John Joe, and you know, I was like in shock. You know, then I heard he wasn't well, but then I heard that he went so quick, you know, and it just kind of like threw me, you know.
What's special about Michael Prophet, you think?
You don't get a name like Michael Prophet if you're not.
True. I love that.
You see what I'm saying to you, right? You do not get a name called Prophet from such a young age.
So it's true to say he lived up to it.
He did. Because Prophet, he never tell you to do what he does, you know. He always tells you about the line and the walk that you should walk. You see what I'm saying? You know, it's like a righteous father who's a bad man, never tell him picnic for be bad man too. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, Prophet to me was like he was like a prophet. Especially when I was young, and like that's why we can't really be sad for Prophet, because he says, Michael Prophet said the gates of Zion is open. You know what I mean? And each and every one must step right in.
So true.
So you don't know, so you have to. You have to. You know what I mean? So we say long live the man's work.
Thank you.
You know what I mean? Because, you know, we at Peckins, me and my brother Chris, we've got some works with Prophets as well, you know, so
we can look forward to them.
100%, yeah? Bless up, man. Bless.
No, good, man. Digger Rankin, of course, DJ, as well as a professional DJ, as well as a DJ that spins the music and entertain people. Your thoughts on Michael Prophet?
Yeah, man, Jano. You know, so me just flying from the Smiling Coast still, you know, from Gambia, car. Yo, me dead when me hear the sad news. And you see Prophet now, yo, Prophet is a man, you know. From me a youth, as you know, me play music. Them man the song, yo, them man the song give me the inspiration, man, for make me reach where me dead now, and still I play music and still I go on, you see it. And yo, right now, even though him gone, the music, you know, it will never.
True.
It must have to live on. And me as a man, me I make sure say anywhere me go in the world, I be a prophet, me I play.
Yes, Digo, bless it, yes?
Yes, man, how you mean?
Bless it. Vincent now, of course, roots and culture, which Michael is famous for, as well as the love song, but more the roots and culture. What are your thoughts as a fellow artist about, what was it about that made Michael special or different?
Well, what made Michael special to me is that I know Michael Prophet from coming out of the business. You understand? Because I remember say Michael Prophet was amongst Grove Music, right? With the Abbey them and King Sounds them and Azwa them and all of them. So I know Michael Prophet from me at 19. And even before I start sing, Michael Prophet coming like my brother. He's a man who take care of me, look after me. He's a man who Michael, well, you know that. Because you see all of them show them, Michael Prophet come sing for me. And I mean, anywhere I'm there, any show him I do, him come find me, carry me backstage. Very good, you know what I mean? It's a big loss to me. You know, serious loss to me, you know. And as a tutor too. Because you know Michael Prophet is a great singer, great singer. Me not talk about my, you know, great range, beautiful voice, good technique. You know, Michael Prophet very rarely sings a bad note. You know, and then sing out a tune or not like that. You understand?
So, as someone who knew him not just on stage, but because when you're on stage, you're in a different range, aren't you?
Yeah, man.
So a different zone. So when he's off stage, you knew him as well. What was he like off stage as an everyday brother?
Mischievous, joyful, very philosophical as well, because he's a man where you know Michael go through the thing. Him go through the thing. So he's got a lot of wisdom. He never have nothing bad for say to nobody. But sometimes we sit down and we reason. He's not reason about Rastafari, reason about life, reason about poverty, reason about slavery, we reason about, you know, and he's a very intelligent human being. You understand? And but the greatest part about it is his mischievousness, his joyfulness. You know, his willingness to just sing. You know, he's just sing and it's just joyful. You know?
Great entertainer.
He's a great human being. You know what I mean? Great entertainer, the world know that. But as a human being, because sometimes you're great entertainer, human, them are nice people, you know. You understand? At the other day, me and Prophet there for Willesden when we go check Lucy, because you know Lucy and him cousin. You know, we leave our route 7 at the park. Never know I'm sick. You know, it's summer. Every night we buck up down at One Love House and we sit down and we reason and thing and we and do a thing. You know what I mean? So, you know, all I can say is who goes there goes the Rasta man, you know. Manners and respect, you know, Michael Prophet. Zion, you know, because you're good out, you know. We know you're in the bosom of the Almighty. So stay strong and we love you. We'll never forget you as long as we live. Manners and respect. I listen last year, see?
Hi, my name is Lee.Gappy Ranks. I'm from NW10, Willesden, NW10. You know, the first studio Lee.Gappy Ranks ever walked into was 74 Willesden High Road. And you know, many things about that studio I can tell. The Time Studio, that was the first place I met Michael Prophet. I was just a teenager at the time. And you know, we saw this majestic 10 gold finger general walking down the stairs, and it was Michael Prophet, and we told him we was writing a song together, me and another artist who never actually became an artist, but you know, me keep up the thing. And Michael Prophet helped us pen our first ever song, you know. But Michael was very influential in youth and uprising artists, and he always, you know, had wise words for us in terms of, you know, just how to deal with daily issues in the music industry, you know. And he was a very good role model, because you see how him flashy and him, you know, and not flashy on people, but flashy as an artist should be for the people. You understand? So Michael Prophet, endless love. You understand? Michael Prophet is he used to come to my studio and, you know, get free dub plate. Expensive Michael Prophet dub plate. From you get free dub plate from Michael Prophet, he must rate you. That's how you know we grow with him. 45s, and him influence everybody we see here today, and so much people I ain't seen in years we influence Lee.Gappy Ranks also. It's Michael Prophet bring we together, and we there. Mama Power, me see you. So Michael Prophet, your name will always live on. You understand? And you will always be the 10 gold finger done. Mad, bad thing. Lee.Gappy Ranks said that.
Greetings, I'm blessed. My name is Ras Digby, and I'm here to show reverence to Michael Prophet, Michael George Haynes. I never know Michael from a little youth. I know Michael through music. And he's one of the, as a selector, he's one of the man that me want to get from. I talk about back in the days of Phoebe's and them place there, when Michael tune them really enhance me and hold me up and love me up in a Rastafari. Yeah, and some of them lovers tune them too. We love them, you know. This is an icon in the business where when I think of Michael, I think of energy. I think of style. And when Michael have a thing is massive confidence. You hear me? Confidence. Him have so much confidence that when you stand beside Michael, some might brush off upon you. You understand? So, as I said, 1 month or so, maybe 2 months was the last time I see Michael outside the Pekin's record shop. And I said, Michael, how it go? So you don't know, boss, and when him look at me, when him look at him do so, and he hand them full of the ring, I say, go on, Michael, are you that? And that was the last time I see him, you know. So I saw him looking well. And I can't believe, because when I see him, that means whatever him did have already taken him. And the man I fight the war same way. Nobody could have tell me, say, them no, unless you was really close to Michael for no say him did sick. And as brethren of Rastafari, enough of we don't go to doctor. I refuse to go to doctor. I even just check and see what I go on when certain things now work right. And when me I say to certain man and man, of all faith, because we're not partial. Sure. You understand me? Is check yourself. Because if you have works to do, check yourself. Sometimes I just a little something might, you know how to treat it. If you just turn a blind eye and don't know and just watch it and rotten you out, that's not good neither. Because we have with kids them I come up and we have to show order all the way down the line. See? All the way. From little bit of grow we learn and we get experience and knowledge. So that teach wisdom. So Michael as a man show me wisdom and knowledge through Rastafari and the music. And it's a sad day for reggae music that we lose an icon and a foundation icon at that. Because we don't have much left, you know. Yes?
Well, like I say, my name is Japrento Youth. Seen, some know me as Prento Youth, some know me as Japrento, original from Youthman Promotion, Coxon. Seen from the 80s, 86, 87, me, Daddy Freddy, Ricky Tuffy, Tenafly, the whole away. Michael Prophet grew me for me a little youth, a DJ, pan sound system, all around the world. Seen with Sugar Mine at Nitty Gritty, Tenasa, the whole away. So guess what, Michael Prophet is like a great godfather in the music business to me. We need on the tune Your Love with Ricky Tuffy, I was there. We need on the tune with Daddy Freddy, I was there. You understand? So right now, whether some make you know, so Mr. Prophet, I love you to the maximum. God bless you. Ricky Tuffy, the Almighty call Ricky Tuffy. The Almighty call Tenafly. Now the Almighty call you. The Almighty call Sugar Mine. I God respect you to the maximum. I'm just hope say, yo, right now, let's keep the fire burning. Because the people them is yearning. They need real artists like before. You understand? None of the artists we can just walk and go buy in a store. We want real artists like before who mean something in the business. And put them heart to it and them soul. You understand? So Michael Prophet, respect, God bless you. Remember, Japrento Youth said that. Love you.
Greetings, yes. This is Vivian Jones saying, yo, man, I say to you, Michael Prophet, one of the greatest voices ever out of Jamaica, that island there, where enough of we stretch from. Michael Prophet spend some great times, share some great moments worldwide with you, my brother. And you take the road where all of we going to have to take. It's just that you're gone before we. But we're there for you, you know, Michael, and I will never forget you. See? Because of the energy, the vocal ability, the quality that you put down for enough of us, for enough of we, Michael, to learn and, you know. So, at this time here, yeah, we're there for celebrating, you know, Michael, for celebrate the greatness, seeing, because that's all me know, say. When we talk about Michael, we can talk about great, because man is just a man, and nothing more than man, seeing. So here what I say, big up my brethren, Michael Prophet, seeing, and we forever call your name. No watch nothing, seeing. Condolence to all the family members and loved ones, seeing. Cause enough of we love you, Michael. Blessed.
Well, my name is Redman UK. I'm a young artist. I grew up listening to Michael Prophet from a youth. Your Love Is All I Want is a song where I listen to Michael Prophet from a youth. And I've listened to many other songs as well. Big up Michael Prophet, rest in peace. Condolences to the whole family. You know what I mean? Your name lives on, you're a legend. One love.
Many blessings going out to everybody that's here. Big up my brethren Michael Prophet that used to come to 17 Oxhead Road. And I did a song called The Boy I Love Believe Me. Michael Prophet, you are one of the best singers I ever know about. And you see that song that was called Imagine Me acting like a child over you, a child over you. Rest in peace, my brother. Forever love from the Johnson family and the Powers family. Saying big up.
Michael Prophet. I just want to say massive respect and love goes out to the family of Michael Prophet. My name's Kai, I'm a guitarist. I've worked with Michael, one of the greatest spirits I've ever come across in my life, one of the greatest performers, one of the most unique people. May his soul rest in peace. God bless.
Michael, I'm a brethren, seeing? You see with Michael around, it pushes you as an artist. Because when I do on a show with Michael, he always want to flap me. And me always want to flap him too, see? No joke thing, see? It's like, that was between me and him, but it's still not a feelings thing. Like how some man a fight. This was fun between me and Michael. Only me and him know we are going between we. See? Love Michael. Rastafari, you're Rasta youth, see? You're Rasta man, see? And nothing else. Enough love to Michael Prophet. See? Rest peaceful in Zion until that day.
Yeah, greetings. My name is Joey J. I'm coming from the media angle. I used to be working on Kiss FM back in the day doing reggae shows. And how I knew Michael Prophet was through his music. And when I had 2 interviews with him on Kiss, and it was magnificent. That voice was like an angel. And my condolences goes out to his family and all the people, especially to Yabby U, who I had the pleasure of meeting Yabby U, who came to my flat in Leamington Park in Acton. I interviewed Yabby U on the radio also. So respect to all the people who know Yabby, all the people who know Michael Prophet, his family once again. Rastafari, Selassie.
Yeah man, greetings, you know, blessed love, Michael Prophet, one away, Rastafari youth. I remember when we was rehearsing Yabby U, before it was Yabby U, when it was just Vivian Jackson, and he was singing some tune, and he used to sing out a key, and we learned him how to sing in a key, and we sing 4 tunes with him when he sing as Vivian Jackson and the Prophets, which was Carnal Mind, Love Thy Neighbor, Javengeance. Them tune that we sing with Yabby U. Many people never know there was no Prophets. It was the Royals doing the harmony on them tune there. And then this youth come amongst we as a youth, and him come with some tune. And when we hear the tune them, everybody say, wait, this youth is like a little prophet. And that's how him get the name Michael Prophet.
Greetings and blessings, Daddy Ernie. Just come to pay my respect to one of the foundation artists, you know, Mr. Ian's Michael Prophet. I had the pleasure of being with him on numerous occasions, numerous shows, MC with him on stage. And I remember when the album Fight It to the Top dropped for Vivian Jackson, Yabba U. We knew then that it was a unique voice, and he progressed from there through the 80s into the 90s with some memorable tunes, too many to mention, and it's very unfortunate that he's gone and left us. But the most satisfying thing is that he's left us with a barrage of tunes, a great catalogue, and still plenty of tunes to come. So we mustn't be too distressed, because we'll be hearing his voice for many, many more years to come. So all I can say is rest in eternal peace, Mr. Haynes. Your works is done. Father called you to go home, so rest in peace. Blessed love.
Michael Prophet, gun finger on the ear for that one, yeah. I'm daughter request it, and not even me, you know. Watch it. More for your gun finger. One finger. One finger, let me see it up there. I am daughter request it, you know.
I wake up in the morning, what do I see? Gunmen standing over me with their guns and their baby. Me cry, oh, oh, people are gonna feel it. Me shout, oh, oh, the Allah reveal it.
Me love, hey, me want to sing with the sister. Yo, me want to sing with the daughter them, you know. Me don't want to go around the thing, you know. Yeah? Me want to sing the song, you know, with one finger in the ear. Michael Prophet in there, watch out.
I wake up in the morning, what do I see? Gunmen standing the savior of my life. When he opened my eyes that I can see what is over me. It was the savior of my life. When he opened my eyes and said we, from one man standing over me with their guns and their bailies. We cried, oh, why, a lot of feeling. We showed, oh, why you might not reveal it. Why,
Yo, stop it. You see that tune here? Right. Sing 21 8th Street, Guinness Farm. Michael Prophet, I'm a cousin. Big up Michael Prophet. You see me I say? Rest in peace. Big up everybody come out and support my cousin right now. You see me? Play about that tune in the 90s.
Real thing, my general. Real thing. Alright, I want to sing that tune, you know. That tune, a history tune.
I wake up in the morning, what do I see? Gunmen standing over me with their guns and their bailies. We cry, oh, oh, we never feel it. We shout, oh, what we are revealing. It was the savior of my life. When he opened my eyes that I can see what is over me. It was the savior of my life. He opened my eyes and say we, from gunman standing over me with their guns and their bailies. Me cry, oh, oh, me like a feeling. We showed us we are not revealing. Why you want? Why you want? It was the sweet of my life. We opened my eyes that I can see what is over me. It was the savior of my life. We opened my eyes and say we, oh Lord, from gunman standing over me with their guns and every big rock.
Stop it. Like I tell you something. Hold it. Did you know that this song is a life story? Who knows it's a real story? I rob my friend, you know. You see me I say, take away all them jewels and everything, you know. You understand me I say? Saying, I'm telling you something. This is a real true story. Run this back from the top. Take it, my daughter, run it.
If they listen to the headlines, it's gunman standing over me with their guns and their baby. We cry, oh, oh, we lack of feeling. We shout, oh, oh, we are not revealing. Why? So sweet my life, and he opened my eyes that I can see what is over me. He was the savior of my life, and he opened my eyes and say we, from gunmen standing over me with their guns. And they're bailing me cry, oh, oh, people are go feel it. We shout, oh, oh, we all are reveal it. You was.
All right, from the family we are dealing right now, though. The cousin there, come in. Yeah.
Good evening, everybody. Haven't really had a chance to thank everyone for being here. I'll tell you something, though. Oh, introduce myself. I'm Elaine. I'm Michael's first cousin. He was my brother. We were close. And as Michael would tell you, cause he's not my cause, he's my sister. So that's how close we was. But first of all, can I say thank you? I'll tell you something. We knew Mikey, because we call him Mikey, as Michael George Haynes. Welcome to the world of Michael Prophet, man. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. I never knew. Well, I knew, but I never knew the extent of Michael Prophet. I am just learning about Michael Prophet. But we all know him as Mikey. Or the family name was Jimmy. Yeah? Anyhow, oh gosh. Thank everybody so much. If I can just introduce some of Michael's family here. This is Michael's daughter, Ezra. This is Michael's granddaughter, singing on the mic. This is Michael's son, Elijah, spit of him father. Mike, come here. Don't stand there and go on like you don't exist. This is Michael's big daughter, Nadine. Nadine, yes I will. It's my son, Jermaine. Michael, call him the big man. Michael's other little son there, Scott. This lady here, I have to tell you about her. This lady, I'm talking it, me have to talk it, man. Come on, I'm going to talk it. You see this lady here? This is Ezra and Elijah mother, right? She and Mikey never there when Mikey gets sick. And when me tell Mikey for call this lady here, she looked about Mikey till he drew his last breath. This lady here, them never there, you know. She never had to do it, you know. But I said to her, you see, Uno, in the face of adversity, you put your differences beside and you deal with the thing. And that's what she did. She dealt with it, man. Till Mikey last breath, me I tell you. Rest in peace, my cuz. Another family member of ours is run over there. Right? The family is there large. DJs, Mike, man, everybody, really and truly, we thank you. We are so overwhelmed. Oh, look at my cuz. Listen, just drop a prophet. And I'll leave you one thing Michael always said to me. Because I lost my husband in 2014. And it's only Mikey I had to give me strength. And when him come check me, you know, him say, cuz, how you doing? I'm say, boy, me I go. No, cuz. Mikey always said, life is beautiful. Live life and keep it rolling.
You want to say something? Yeah, the next song that's gonna play.
Yeah, people, you see like how we're there on that mode there? We all keep it on that mode there. Right there, so I'm gonna want all of the man them. All of the man if you check what I go on with them son, you know. Yeah, want all of the man if you check what I go on with them son. Yeah, check it out forward. Yeah, check what I go on, just check what I go on for me, yeah? It's a conscious thing. You have to check what I go on with your youth, your son, especially your son. You dig? It's gonna be a dread time. Me I tell you now, it's gonna be dread. So right now, like how it's gonna be so dread, we have to only be one thing. Only one thing we can be in at this time, yeah. sorry, it's a slight mix up with the thing here, so yeah? So it's like how we did on the track now, we know where we're there. Can we deal with it proper? You have to have a conscious mind. Please have a conscious mind. Have it, conscious mind. Michael Prophet youth there, but why you know say anytime you see we, you know, any one of the people let me see, yes sir. Anyone you see on the road after today, you can see them and ask them anything. They're gonna look about you, them have to. You hear me tell you? Alright. Make sure your mind conscious, you know. Somebody now take care of them youth, you know, the right way, you hear me? Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, man. And baby mother, you have to work with the man them too, give the man them a chance to, you know. Work two ways, eh? Conscious, man. Look at the Ranks there. Oh, you mean Michael Prophet? Yeah, man. The legend singer, you know? Large up the whole of the family. The whole of the Michael Prophet family. Oh, you mean? Yo. Me not have the part 2, you know, but guess what? Me have something to fix up feet instead. How do we name that? No 9% me there. No Michael Prophet thing me there. Anyway, I get around. Oh God bless someone who curse. No for them that don't feel see the get a you tries and reach first. Every day another funeral, another long black curse. Party a one shot bus and everybody disperse. Which part Michael Prophet there? Michael Prophet on the mountain top. Sing it from the mountain. Give me this here rhythm. Hold it. Every artist draw near now. Every artist draw near now. Can you say Michael Prophet? He love the artist them. And you see, like how every artist there right now have to represent for Michael Prophet, don't it? When I say Michael, you say Prophet. Michael. Show them to them. On to them.
Michael Prophet put the stereo on. Take out your 45 and play the big song. Music from Sunday to Sunday. From the reggae, me not go run away. I just the roots and reality that in my blood. Love here, the clarity, the echo of the dub. Music is a blessing, it's a blessing from above. Michael Prophet warn you, this foundation. Listen to the words, it's education. Turntable it up, we play upon. Ooh! Michael Prophet, you're the big man. Big tune from Jamaica to England. And rest in peace, Sugar Minot. Easy Gregory Isaac, you're a legend channel. And the mascot up your top there. Altanellis, he must be one if a song, yeah. And me can't for tennis brain, yeah. Hey, Michael Prophet, put the stereo on. Take out the 45, you are the number one. A big song from Sunday to Sunday. Where you want some artists?
Yo! Well, my name is Original Short and Cute Japan to Youths. I like to say Michael Prophet, bring I from me a little youth. Alongside
Michael Prophet, who are tower, go up on King. Who asked me that was my old time granny. So then I have to walk out with no strap in the valley. What? And they say again? Right. Well, Michael Prophet says sing this song for the ladies. Him says sing it for the ladies. She's from round the way, yeah. And I see her every day. Oh, Michael, love to see them style. He used to love them sexy style. If you know the words, sing along, me like me reading, but we will face to face and to multiply. Sing out to Michael now. She had Ebony.
Hold on, again. Hold on, the Prophet. We're gonna be hot like this on you see hotter than fire. Hotter than the butter when we use cook with dinner. Hotter than the thing when the scratch on it pepper. This will burn you up, you better listen to me proper. Hot like this on you see hotter than fire. Hotter than the butter when we use cook with dinner. Hotter than the thing when the scratch on it pepper. This will burn you up. Hold on, anyway. When me see a girl and me tell her hello. And it just myself and say I'm me a printer. She say you a printer, she say me a printer. She say you know me, you just sang them and I like them, you know. So me easy and me cool aside and said so. Come in, no, say me a figure the number li come out. She quick figure me no ask her, you know. Oh, you better know me, I go call her tomorrow. When tomorrow come, I cook from A to E. He take her to the movie, he take her for me. She say I like the video, it is unreal. But me is entertain, I like to play the. Me say who tell you so? Now my friend named Jimmy. Who tell us so? Now my friend named now. Who dog like to? What run the girl? So me know say I told me look when I run sing I like this one, yes, so I thought I'd fight.
Michael Prophet. Stay with him, stay with him. Stay with him tonight. Alright. Redman, take a piece because there are big artists to join our place. Big artists. You know Michael Prophet, rest in peace. You know Psalm 35. I say, plead my cause, oh Lord, with them that shine with me. Fight against who want to fight. I say, plead my cause, oh Lord, with them that shine with me. Yeah. Fight against who want to fight. Yo, take hold of shield and buckler. And stand up for my home. The old house hold the spear and stop the way against who persecute me. And say until I'ma say until my soul. I am done salvation. I am done salvation. I am done salvation. Michael Prophet, me pick on the pen and pick on the book and start sing song. Until she get to you, ease on.
Cause them nowadays, them don't care. I stand me name away. Because them nowadays, them don't care. So them the new style gon' play. Told me last night how much you love me. I choose to see me while it is my money. Then I say to her, girl, how you close you put on me. You perfect and get paid, yeah. She said the new style away, yeah. Tatamini, she love what Tatamini. Tatamini and them new style, yeah. The fancy earring and her fancy gold chain. Can only lay down my fancy. Don't care, no. No, she don't care. No, she don't care, no. Cause them nowadays, they don't care. Bobby doll even style them away. Cause them nowadays, they don't care. And say them new style gone clear. New style gone clear. Like and mini them away. Say what they say. Do what they do. I got that better faith. Money can buy. Yes, I got life that money just can't buy. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
My brother, you're sweet like canary around there. Well, like how we reach this, so we're going on another level now, because this is them artists that we just work, them up on a high level though. High level. High level. So we are going to make the level go. Even higher. Imagine. Come round a big man, come round because I know enough. Yeah, come round. Yeah, oh, okay. The legend, people. Come on, people. The legend. Do I have to say the name? Yes, I do. Him name Lickerai. When me was a little boy.
Yeah.
Me used to listen to tune name what?
Bonganaya. Yeah. Roll it. Yes. Yeah. Let's roll it. Any track. See. Oh, it was happening. It's happening no more, yeah. It was happening. Tribal war. We don't want no more rights. Yeah. Yes, them song you make from long hands. Enough guys only come borrow it. See, I'm going like his ears. Oh, it was happening. It's happening no more, yeah. It was happening. Tribal war. We don't want no more of that. Oh, no, no, no. Tribal war. I know that we are defeated. I give Jah praises the morning, yeah. When I heard the people singing, oh yes, what were they saying? That cancer sitting up and eating cup. One by one they take a little sup, saying the war is over, no more war, no more war. They now see themselves in unity, celebrating with better call it. No more war, no more war, no more war. Tribal war. Yeah, next song. Saying roll it. Many songs, you know. Hear this one here, where them borrow too. I'm going like a film. Right, them no want me make no money out of me thing. Them sing it about 1,000 times and I'm not get nothing. Seeing right.
Hold on there. Hold on now, man. 90. You hear me? Me also DJ on a song named Frontline over Brixton. And this was one of them anthem where them play anywhere them go. And me I tell you, if you don't have lyrics with that tune, you're not nice. Singer, you're the boss. Me I tell you that. In fact, when you listen to these lyrics, this is Lee.Gappy and him is the original singer for this song. So when you hear Freddie McGregor sing Female, which is a good do-over, very good do-over by the great Freddie McGregor, but the original song, you're going to hear it right now.
Them not greater than Lee.Gappy. See, roll it. Roll it. Yeah. Looks like the sun, it does shine for me. Because I'm living yet I can't be free. But freedom is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on. Because I read these things in prophecy. It says when the rain stops pouring. Nice enough, so now I get it nice. See? Roll it. Yeah, my things. Looks like the sun, it does shine for me. Because I'm living yet I can't be free. Yeah. But freedom is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on. Because I read these things in prophecy. It says when the rain stops pouring down and they ain't got no water, they're gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. And when the stars start falling down and the fire is burning, ready up! Weeping and gnashing of teeth, everyone will be mourning. Looks like the moon, it does shine for me at night. But they've got to be so much evildoers in my sight. But no matter how they fuss and go, freedom is a must, I know. Because I read these things in prophecy. Next song, next.
Long time in a chill pan the black and bun a big head. Long time in a run a little joke, come on a lizard. Long time. Hold it! General, you know how long them a wait pan it. Hold it! Keep back on it. Why not it? You know long time in a chill pan the block. Well, sir. Long time in a chill pan the block and burn a big hit. Long time in a run a little joke, man a live it. Long time in a kick a ball like a Maradona. All who give thanks and praise for life. Well, sir. All when the wicked are come with them ways. What we do? Still I give thanks. Ooh. Pull up that. Kayewa. Michael Prophet singing and the general them they are work. Hold it. We have to pay respect to the foundation. Michael Prophet teach me that. Yeah. You understand? We as the younger artists them and the foundation artists them, I'm gonna take the picture, you know, fast, you know. I'm gonna take the picture them fast, you know, cause Michael Prophet don't want that. Yeah. You understand? The whole of it is here for him, you know, long me not see enough artists and enough selector. Yeah. Michael Prophet, and your father is a great man. Great man. You understand? Always remember that. Sing, I'm going to sing on some of them songs there again. Come and love them, you know? My mother and my father love them too.
Next song. Next track. Let's go and play the song. All of them are boom song. Every song I come now. I don't know this song, yeah? God righteous man. Yes, he's a righteous man. Yes, he's a righteous man. When I was a boy, Mama and Papa used to say, don't go in that Rasta man's way, he will take you away. Yes, he's a righteous man. Yes, he's a righteous man. Yes, he's a righteous man. When I was a boy, Mama and Papa used to say, don't go in that Rasta man's way, he will take you away. Yes, he will take you away. Now I'm a man, I get to understand, he's a righteous man. Yes, he's a righteous man. And only he shall stand in this judgment. Holy, holy, shall stand in this judgment. Holy.
You see like only my soul string up on the land. What me say, my soul string up on the land. What me say, Michael string up on the land. What me say, right, you string up on the land. Up the dope in me butts like weevil pan corner. Every gangster on a physical and calm. Patsy and Don, they are from early warm. Road boy a chill and just a watch what I want. High grade sense, he a crush up in a palm. Can't tell me circle, can't tell me keep calm. Play music from evening. Wheel up! Wheel up that shit! Sing back again, Rasta. Yeah. Cause you know Rasta no lie, you know. What do you man ever like King Selassie? I draw!
Yes, he's a righteous man. Yes, he's a righteous man. When I was a boy, Mama and Papa used to say, don't go in that Rasta man's way, he will take you away. Yes, he will take you away. Now I'm a man, I get to understand, he's a righteous man. Yes, he's a righteous man. And only he can stand in this judgment. Holy.
My soul string up on the land. What me say? My soul string up. First, I did up in a way box like weevil pan corn. Every gangster on a physical and calm. Patsy and Don, they are from early warm. Road wire chill and just a watch what I want. High grade sexy, crush up in a palm. Can't tell me circle, can't tell me keep calm. Play music from evening till dawn. Here couple bitches just see me what level. Video, Africa chick close me have on. Me na business if it a Louis Vuitton. Buy couple drinks, come me hotter than a sauna. Gala 6:30, me stopping up nana. She have the glimity, she have the glamour. Tell you about the style and the dancehall grammar. Tell you no say reggae are the real true genre. Some call it bashment, some call it raga. Sing it!
Next track. Alright. This was my first #1 song at age 16. It goes like this. Said you don't know, you don't know, you don't know. Said you don't know, oh no, you don't know. You know, Baba, Baba. Have you any wool? Yes, ja, one big full, yeah. Said you don't know. Said you don't know. Oh no, you don't know. Yeah. Baba, Baba. Have you any wool? Have you any wool? Yeah. Yes, ja. One big full, yeah. Some for bread Akala, some for bongonaya. But start it, real start again. Roll it. Yeah. Yeah. It's a bongonaya from 1969. Saying, roll it. That soldier saying, roll it. Baba, Baba. Have you any wool? Yes, ja. One big head full. Yeah. Some for bread Akala, some for bongonaya, but none for the poor kita, all them shall burn with fire. Yeah. Fire redder than red. Now you're redder than red. Yeah. How can you resist, ja? When you have a volley, yeah. Lick it back, ja. Lick it back, ja. Yeah. Look from you there, yeah. And you don't know. Bongonaya, no. Lick it back, ja. Lick it back, ja. Look from you there, yeah. And you don't know bongonaya. Next drop. Stay roll it. Skip that one. I'm going to sing this one. I'm going to sing this one. I'm so happy, cause today I found my friend there in my head. I'm so ugly, that's okay, cause so are you. Broke our mirrors Sunday morning, it's every day for all I care. And I'm not scared, light my candles in our days, cause I found God. Yeah, yeah, That's okay, I dread my head, and I'm not sad, and just maybe I'm to blame for all that I've heard. I'm not sure, I'm so excited, I can't wait to meet you there, and I don't care, I'm so on it. That's okay, my will is good, yeah. love you all. Rastafari. Say, fuck it too.
Yo.
No. I'm calling in my friend. Royals. Remember a group called Royals? That sing song like, pick up the pieces. Alright? I know you love to hear him. He's my friend Prince. Roll it. You get to see it? Prince?
Yeah, greetings each and everyone. Right now, I know a holy man. Hear the name all the while on the radio. Prince Jackie. Well, I is Prince Jackie. Original Royals from Cockburn Pen, Kingston 11. I grew up in the music with the great Michael Prophet when we were singing with Vivian Jackson before he became Yabiyo. There was no prophets. The Royals were the prophets. And then Michael came along the scene and he had some songs, and we said to everybody, said, this youth here, him come and him name Michael Ians. And the man him said, this youth here, him is like a little prophet. And I saw him get the name Michael Prophet. But we were the prophets. We sang 4 tunes with Vivian Jackson. Run Come Rally, Carnal Mind, Javengeance, Love Thy Neighbor. Them 4 tunes there. Then Family Man and Carlton Barrett make a rhythm and give Yabiyu called Conquering Lion. And it's so Yabiyu get him name from Vivian Jackson to Yabiyu. So Michael Prophet is a man where I love. I was with him last year at the Gregory Isaac tribute. I was the stage manager for the stage, and I was with him backstage. Him come and check me down by People's Sound because everybody knows me around Daddy Vigo's shop now. Since him gone, I'm a friend for 47 years. Him cousin Gladstone Anderson give us the first break of Federal Records, 1966, with the tune the Royals, first tune called House Upon the Hill. Yeah? And the second tune we ever do is Gladdy Again. And him call we a Treasure Island, we do a tune called We Are in the Mood. And then we leave there and go at Coxon and do pick up the pieces. Alright, Prince Jackie. We have a name for a reason. The man never tell me, say me no sing out a key. Alright. The poor are getting poorer. How can we really get by when the cost of living is high? Sometimes I sit and I cry. My mother asks I why. I don't know the reasons why. How could I reply to I? Oh, tell me why. Oh, why? Poor people are sleeping on streets, can't get no food to eat. The rich are having a feast, living in their castles retreats. Oh, tell me why. Oh, why? They're spending millions in the skies, whilst the poor on earth are dying. Oh, tell me why? Oh, why? Oh, tell me why? Oh, why?
richer. The poor are getting poorer. How can we really get by when the cost of living is high? Sometimes I sit and I cry. My mother asks I why. I don't know the reasons why. How could I reply? Child, oh, tell me why. Oh, why? Hear the shot I know. Oh, tell me why. Never tell me why. Oh, why? Eyes are eye, and your Rastafari. Oh, tell me why. Oh, why? Oh, tell me why. Oh, why? The rich are getting richer. The poor are getting poorer. How can we really get by when the cost of living is high? Sometimes I sit and I cry. My mother asks I why. I don't know the reasons why. How could I reply? Child, oh, tell me why. Oh, why?
You know, Michael Prophet would have said, we are thinking rich this year. Paper money, a cup of kind, we know. Hold it! Bucky Joe, John here, stop it. My half the jaw for the artist here. Stop it now. My half the jaw for the artist here. Bucky Joe. Hold it now, man. You see, Bucky Joe, he runs a studio in South London. And he's also an artist, an engineer. Every artist will come to England. have to go over Bucky Joe's studio go buy some dub plate. Michael Prophet was a resident dub plate cutter at Bucky Joe's studio. So you know dub plate. If you know dub plate and you know the business, that's how we eat with food. Okay, that's how we make the money daily. Dub plate. You understand? And we need plates to make the dub plate them. And Bucky Joe. So you know him and him have Michael Prophet with the world in the ear yet. Because you know Michael Prophet voice some tune over the don't it? Bucky Joe, me that's why I shell it down.
Real and proper, super rapper, dapper rise. Play with the king full of his all I bring. Mr. All the respect my top up, Mr. Come answer my top up. We have. When I go sir, read up ranking my top profit, all the top thing. Read up ranking, it's not only on the banking thing. Read up ranking, we are the top thing. Read up, I use the king. Give me a fast link. Well, our clocks and diamond socks, me beat him when me step through the place of presidential greeting. Tunes when me drop, me left the people them screaming. Well, listen out a road, big dance we keeping it fast. Why violate the mouth, get some beating. Big plywood and some rock for reach him. Well, everybody's skank now to the buzz what teaching. It's a real rapper, dapper dancing thing. Boom! Reach up, ranking, but rock, we are the top thing. Reach up, level. All who love yourself, put up your hand and say reverence. Well, let me teach you something. In this life, some people now go like that. But me I go beg you to do one thing for me. Just go tell me it's about mine. You can't stop the youth, yeah. Me still a hold the faith like the great Martin Luther. Watch how me crush them barefoot just like motor. Man a real warrior, know me and me go some big fire burn to some pagan who not like me. Who not like me talk, me not go tell them politely. Sit down on the street side, the chop on them a fight me. Them can't stop the youth, Jaja guide me.
Hey, in a eat that thing. I'm in a one up when in a eat that thing.
No, why you know we don't? We keep stepping and moving to a higher level. Burn out the bad mind, hypocrite devil. Enough of them not clean, so them want reach a heaven. We got chant out the wicked with a Psalm 37. When watch them a free, but me clean and pure. Me fire burn them more and more and more. Still not find a remedy, still not find a cure, but prevention. Yo, Gappy, person.
You know what Michael Prophet said me for sick boy, I am say Gappy. He never loved the badness for one and not question and something and place. Hear what? Well, every day another tiger, man, I walk on the corner. Too much backbiting, informer. And up and left the cheater and the glamour. Roadblock, son of a across the border. You fit know your priority, work harder. If you see your elder, have manner. Give thanks to your father, I am mother. Cause there will never be another. And all we need is just a little understanding. Yeah, yeah. Ah,
Anybody where want to run down another one. Yeah. But nobody now come mash up this. Remember that. General Saint, when you come see a word to you, you don't die and you set this in order. Boy, come on, I say, I'm wrong, this in order. Large of British Farm, Cockberry Trent, Maxfield Avenue, with there, Trent, Large of England. Yes. Yes. One love Steve Larger, Darkin Burnett, General Caesar, and one cool there. We don't know it. You're in General Secretary. You're in General Secretary. Larger. Keep yourself rocking. Larger presents himself. Pick it up. Right now, Prophet that I would like to say something. Make a break up this musical fight because Michael Prophet never in a musical fight in our life. Never in a musical fight in our life with no artist. So you what now? Right now, a peace and love and unity, you know. As some Michael Prophet say, you know. A love and unity. So right now, as people, because I'm not going to say black people, man, because black and white people in here. As people, we need to come together and just be more mellow. We're too hot-blooded sometimes. You know them way. So we just need to mellow more time and just cool and Michael Prophet. This is all about Michael Prophet. This is not about anybody else. Please. You know them way there. We organize this Prophet. And right now, in kids them would like to say something to the people then out there tonight. So give them a matter of fact before the kids them say anything. Before the kids them say anything. Please, ladies and gentlemen, make we give Michael Prophet, the legend, the icon, 1 minute worth of silence, please. Yo, a 1 minute worth of cooperation we are begging now, please. Yes, man, if you don't come here to support Michael Prophet, please.
You want me say? Because I don't understand this for the Buga Yaga business and like some people don't have respect. We don't have some, anyway, we don't have the custom thing, you know. We are begging a place. A Michael Prophet thing, we are going to show some respect on us. So anybody who don't feel like they can show respect, we go through the door. See, just go through the door. Because we learn for respect when we come where we're all about. We don't want to come this now and most of the people they mean are some respectable people. Some man come one like say some Buga Yaga thing. We don't have the Buga Yaga thing. See? So I can show some respect right now in an honor. Because I'm not frightened to talk it in my general.
1 minute worth of silence. Please. 1 minute worth of silence. Starting.
No.
No. Respect to a legend. Respect to a legend. Respect to a legend. Respect.
Those officers something. Prophet Michael, he misses my book, them a Montego airport. He misses his here. Well, you see, I see her earlier with our son, right? And when Prophet see me, I'm out go there, I can't join them a search before. I mean, a Prophet got through. And because the whole of Jamaica, the whole government don't establish. And when we come back to England, I mean, a Prophet in the line. Some people in the line that talk some mumbo jumbo, I have to tell them and say, yo, no, you come make them people come take over. So Prophet, I may never know Mikey. Say, come here you go, Amsterdam and well, our whole part is really I know. You see the first thing say we never like it, but it comes to some real decency. Them time, yeah. So Mikey, when we see you, we used to say the Prophet rise again, but we have to say the Prophet. Yes,
yo, big up Michael Prophet.
Yes, when you say the Prophet live again.
We run the road.
Yo.
Run the road.
Right now, yo. Yes, I am. Anyway, you have to have a brother, right? I said. Anyway, right now, I want to give thanks to all the people then who turn out to support Michael tonight. Many thanks and blessings, and me know anywhere in the right now, I'm T, you must smile. So, give thanks and praise. And please, ladies and gentlemen, our voice not be as big as mine, so give a few minutes to Michael, little daughter, because she wants to say something.
So, my family just want to say thank you to everyone who's come. We want to say thank you to Saint, who's been there most. He's been there, picked up my mum, took things from my dad's house, brought them to us, and he's helped my dad when the group needed him. I really want to thank the cooks who made the food tonight, the DJs, the people who performed, the people who decorated, the people who actually turned up. I just want to thank everyone who sang along to his songs. Even that means a lot. I just want to thank you all. And the next song, Auntie Elaine will know this, but the day he died, I was like, the first thing I said was, who's going to walk me down the aisle? I was just like, oh God, like, I was so scared because my dad promised me. And then I heard this song, and then I was like, it's okay, because when I walk down the aisle, I'm going to play this song because he's still going to be with me, you know? So this song is just like my world. So thank you very much. Thank you for everyone coming.
Yeah.
One second, digital, you love it all Israel. As a representative of Mr. Michael Charles is Nadine. No. No. Because I'm talking on behalf of the family. And some of the family are so distressed, they can't find the words to talk. So that's why God is here for them. Nadine and all the family, out of love. And they send their love to each one of you individually. That's what we are here for. Number 5-star Jadan scene. So on the Junjo thing there.
All I ever had, redemption sound. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. So won't you wait to see, oh Lord, these songs of freedom. It's all I ever ask. Redemption song. All I ever ask. Redemption song. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, cause none of them can stop the time. And how long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. So won't you have to sing along these songs of freedom? It's all I ever had. Redemption song. All I ever had. Redemption song.
A round of applause for Vincent now. A round of applause for Vincent now. R16, Mr. Now wait upon you. Mr. Sugar Love Jones, now wait on the acapella. Digital day, I know you're talking with the manager on him. And you're the colonel of work, you know. And we need to think of
give thanks and praise to the Most High God, Jadan, Rastafari, King Selassie the First. He seated in his holy place in Mount Zion. And I say, Sila,
Jah Army,
rule of the earth.
Michael Crown Prophet. Catch this now.
Oh, now.
We are the professionals.
Leader Yorkshire, I'm the shepherd of that pastor. Hey. Leader Yorkshire, we are the shepherd of that pastor. Yes. Hey, so.
Not find Michael Crown Prophet in the musical box. This is the musical tribute. Michael Prophet on his journey to Zion. Talking to her in a ramp with the Empress. Our friend. I like to give thanks and praise to who sit at his only place in Mount Zion. I like to see roll up here. Keeping the reverence. We deal with order. Keeping the reverence for the family. Rusty is Lassie I saw. Lion Power. To all the kings and all the queens. Leader Yocha, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Hey. Leader Yocha, we are the shepherd of thy pastor. Hey, oh yes. Leader Yocha, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. You know, music learning that's straight energy. Leader Yocha, we are the shepherd of thy pastor. Yeah. Hey. As thy shepherd, he said, I must gather all sheep. Awake them from their sleep. Awake them from their sleep. You help those who are from Jaja. You help those who are centralized. Come on, you even help my God. Also help the meek. My God, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Lead us, Lord, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Yes. Lead thy ocean, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Lead us, Lord, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Yes. I'm traveling hills and valleys and mountains. Stand firm and you live up to me and don't go with Father and set me free. Because you don't know. Jah watch over his children. Yeah, think about that prophet because you don't know the curtain on the bar. So he's full of us to you tonight. Very important. You don't turn it up for you. Righteousness is the way. We can dance with it. Significantly. This is a musical tribute. We can dance. We are your children, and righteousness is what we need. And I've been protected by Jah, protected by straight love, straight support, straight comfort. Your Jah, I'm the shepherd of life for the Ace family. Michael Prophet family, my brother. I'm the shepherd of thy pastor, yes. Leader Yocha, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Leader Yocha, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. I like to give thanks and praise to the Holy Most High God, Jadan Rastafari, King Selassie I the First, who sitteth in his holy place in Mount Zion. And I say, straight order. Selassie. Rule of the earth and the heavens. Big up yourself, Pigo, and the Southland and Massive. To all the Empress Queens, I love her now. Leader Yocha, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Hey. Lead us, Yocha, we are the shepherd of thy pastor. Yeah. Don't say a word, Sister Ramona. Leader Yocha, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Sister Angela, Heart of Love. Lead us, Yocha, we are the shepherd of thy pastor. Yeah. Sister Susan. People have no reason for believing. All things in life are changing. Silver Teller, PJ Luciano, and the great Michael Cryout Prophet. When we tap into your powers and promise, we're armed with this wisdom and knowledge. We have Bust the big boy. Landlord Abba. But down you're gonna let your love run right. Sister, stop us.
conscious. Try to understand, yeah. Brothers unite, brethren stop fighting. But then you gotta let your love run.
Easy, Tony Douglas.
And the heavens.
Oh, now. Leader, your Jah, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Hey. Lead us, oh Jah, we are the shepherd of thy pastor. Yes. Hey. Leader, your Jah, I'm the shepherd of thy pastor. Hey. Lead us, oh Jah, we are the shepherd of thy pastor.
Celestial children, reverence to each and everyone. We bless each and everyone. We give thanks to each and everyone for your support, for your love, for your input, for the Ace family.
We love with this wisdom and knowledge. We have authority.
Talking Colonel alongside Empress Digital D. We are the professionals.
Sister, stop us. Be conscious. Try to understand, yeah. Brothers unite. Brethren stop fighting. But that
5-star General Saint, I salute you.
sister, stop us. Be conscious. Try to understand, yeah.
The wicked they are trying to scatter the shepherd's sheep, force them to lose their way and give them bad grass to eat. They indoctrinate the youth and mislead them from the truth. But
now nothing can conquer us.
Them have to feel for wicked and boots. Come let's
go there for Michael.
Through the cities and let's march.
So we keep it on a level.
Come let's
Pigo.
All over creation.
I salute you.
From west unto the east. Come let's march through the cities and let's march on the street.
Bobby Bridging from South London bring the big boy. Just like how me and MP Michael would have just go and drink this. Because we're Bridging from Pigo from South. Who bring the big boys and sit it there for Michael, yeah?
Why must those eat and rain over the chosen ones? But yo, just be ready when the place ain't come. We know the powers of Jah for sure. So put
your friend
over your door. So when that angel passes by, I and I will be saved.
Empress Digital D, because I can see, hold on, you see that love and that energy? I can see the family, 1 second DJ, I can see the family is feeling it and also appreciating the love. Do remember, that's why Colonel and DJ is here to keep that order. There is a book of condolences. If you did not have the privilege to meet the family individually, you may not know the family like how we do. So take that moment, please, the Colonel attack you. Lest we forgot why we are here, to show that love and the support. The book of condolences, when you go through that door, is on your left-hand side. I'm going to say it in a muster again. The left-hand side of this side here. So when you walk to the door this side here, please leave something. A word, a message, something for the family, so they can see the love and the encouragement. And they are not on this journey alone. Sure. Michael cry out prophet on his journey to Zion. Send on Digital D. Can we keep the thing serious when I laugh when we work?
Yeah.
Jesse.
Whoa, yeah.
Garrison again. Big up Jesse.
I'm just messenger.
Michael Prophet. Rastigby, come here. Come here, Rastigby. Step up. Go and chant that one, Rastigby. Are you step on them here?
Rise up, Jah children, cause time it is at hand. stand. Judgment is coming on Jah land.
You're here.
Arise up, Jah people, time to take your stand. Judgment is coming on Jah land. Jah works, it will always prevail. I see the wicked man them work, Jah it a fail. So whether you black or whether you are white, it's time for us all to unite. As a young people, as Zion we all want to go.
Open the gates.
As Zion,
Holy Mount Zion bound.
As Zion we all want to go. Hey, I'm Jah messenger.
Open the gate, make we repatriate. Open the gate, make we repatriate. Zion gate, you know. But Zion's a holy place. No sin cannot enter in.
Whether you're black or whether you are white, it's time for us all to give up the fight.
Don't stop the fight.
War in the east and war in the west. It's time for Jah works to manifest.
Each and every time.
Harvest in the north and famine in the south. Jah plague it come to wipe them out.
In his holy tabernacle, you know.
Zion people, as Zion we all want to go.
Holy Mount Zion, I. Yes, I am. Come in, Colonel, where you go?
As we tread along to Zion, it's the secret place that I know.
Holy Mount Zion,
I will take my brethren along,
Journey rough.
It's the holy place.
Ready, man.
Salute to the original barber, my South London. How the man say Ras Big?
I just all about Michael, you know, and the family, see?
As we tread along to Zion, it's the holy.
You know how it feels when you lost the love you love. All right.
I will take my brethren along. It's the quietest place of the home.
They don't cry. Yes, Colonel.
Mount Zion is the holy place to go.
Thank you, Ras.
Mount Zion is the holy place that I know. Yeah. Listen me, my brother, man.
You want me now? Saying? I just peace and love same way, and I man left Jamaica and come here England 2001. Michael Prophet left me in Jamaica what? 80, 83, 80, early 80s. Saying? Cause I remember everything. Cause me are the littlest one out of the whole of we now. Saying? Out of Rod Taylor, Earl 16, saying Michael Prophet, saying Hugh Mundell, Junior Reid, saying, let me tell you, my name is Boom Donovan, saying, I'm the one that have under the cover. Saying, me under the cover. Me not really jump out of the pot. Me under the cover. So me are the reserve artist. You understand me? And right now, I come to England and I come see my brethren. I'm proud of my brethren when I move, Michael Prophet. But what? It's like the man gone too soon. You understand me? And right now, to all the program I move, I may have the remedy, you know. But what do you see the man when I bucket you and I look at the man and say, Prophet, you know, say you don't look right in your face. And the man said, "Me alright in a boom, cause you don't know how me look." But you know what happened? Yabiyo. I don't know if anybody has to know ever hear about Yabiyo. Yabiyo is the man that bring Michael Prophet to where he is. Saying me is the littlest one, you know. You understand me? I'm remember everything. Yabiyo, you understand me? Bring Michael Prophet to where he is. You understand me? Michael Prophet born at Greenwich Farm, 8th Street. When me and Michael Prophet there at Greenwich Farm Beach, I dive up conch and all type of thing. And I eat roast fish down on the beach. You understand me? We talk about foreign. We don't know what foreign look like. You understand me? And Prophet, you understand me? A waterhouse me come from. Saying, and Prophet come at Tubbies every day. Saying me I talk about Tubbies. You understand me? A one King Tubbies me know. You understand me? And me just live up the road from Tubbies. Them time the Jammies is not even Prince yet. Jammies used to come in from my ackee tree at night time with buckle lamp. With my uncle come pick my ackee up on my tree. If we go run boat at night time. You understand me? Because I watch King Tubbies and make amp. And when King Tubbies and make him amplifier, he's a man who make him amplifier out of nothing. You understand me? That's why I'm called the Great Tubbies. Because the man make him things from out of nothing. You understand me? I come from. And you see right now, I come to England and come see Prophet. And it's like, I just feel nice. If you know, I come to England and come see Prophet. Because the man them go left me and left me at Jamaica. And me there at Jamaica, I never know me that go foreign. Saying, the first time he fly out, is Ras Michael and the Sons of Negos. Saying, fly me out after me just done do a video with Eddie Murphy and Shabba Ranks. And me at the Naya being the Kete King, you know. When me play Kete drum, you know. Eddie Murphy say, you play the motherfucking drum marvelous. You live in America, they stone you with dollars. You understand me? And me come to England and me come teach the Rasta house people them for play Naya being the drum and teach them how to chant. You understand me? And still them never hear the reggae side of me yet. You understand me? I'm going to keep that secretly. Saying, and when time certain thing reach, I mean, say right now, I drive one day and a man come mash up my car. And I saw me get some, we call it compensation. I'm decide say right now, I have my music in my car from Jamaica. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to release my album. I'm going to master my album. Earl 16 take me to some places. I'm going to get my tune and master, because him come here and him come know the place run and come set it. You understand me? So when me come and ready now, him just carry me call some places. Saying, the last show me on Michael Prophet though, is a show in Birmingham. Saying, you understand me? Michael Prophet, Boom Donovan, Earl 16, Black Uro, Akala, Rastafari. Saying, yeah, and I mash up that show there. Me had the opening act for that show there. Saying, and me take a picture with Michael Prophet. And Prophet in the place, Prophet I say, Boom Donovan, you know some of my picture supposed to be all about another place, yeah. Because the amount of show me do for them people, them not put up my picture in another place. You understand me? Like them a demote man. I say Prophet, they don't know, you know. I hear the Prophet, you know. Saying, because Capitan is not the Prophet. You are the Prophet. Because Capitan can't thump me in my mouth. When me talk with authority. You saying? I know say Michael Prophet are the Prophet. From early out. You saying? Capitan not even start DJ yet. Saying him used to walk around stereograph and walk around some little sound system and thing. But you know what? I love in a Prophet. And one loving and a peace, you know. And I man say rest in peace, you know. Rest in the fullness. Saying, and Jano Star. Me not even get to give the remedy. Because I have the 100% ganja oil. Saying we liquor cancer. And 100% cure all. Saying, and 100% everything. And Jano Star, when time I give Bucky Joe the medicine, I give him with tears in my eye. Yeah. Because my brethren tell me, say right now, Prophet now go, take the medicine in a boom. Because you want the doctor, them going to run some tests on him. And I'm going to put the man through chemotherapy. And I say, chemotherapy? Them can't put Mobo like Michael Prophet through chemotherapy, brethren. Right now, I feel it, brethren. Saying, Prophet bring up him little daughter from Jamaica. And come get 3 youth in England. Right now, Star, I miss you, my brother. What I'm saying? I can't forget the days when you come to Waterhouse and I say, Prophet, right now, I cook some writers too, go and sing the plate. Saying, and Prophet sing the plate. Saying, when him sing him it tune, here comes the bride. Here comes the bride with her pretty smile. Saying, and then him come like gunman and fly come a blood clot England. Yo, I over 40 years, I know my brethren, you know.
My brethren that do before him start any interview. I light a spliff. I light a spliff. Trust me, I know that. You want now? Michael Prophet thing this still, you know. I'm going to organize this thing here to make everybody have a say and have a word. Yeah? Because when my brethren I drop out, I'm dead for him. I'm dead for 37 years, see him. I love him. Big time. You know, I don't even know how to express this thing, you know.
See it. What was special about Michael Prophet? What was it about him that made him different from the other artists?
Well, first thing was different about Prophet was in vocal. Nobody don't have that vocal level that Prophet have. Saying, remember the first tune me do, you know. First and was my first #1 tune, and it dep on a rhythm. I remember when Greensleeve asked me which rhythm you want to do that tune depend, which was tribute to General Echo. I say, you don't know what, Chris. Prophet dep on a rhythm name, Righteous are the Conqueror. I say to Greensleeve, say, yeah. A matter of fact, I just tell John just had a rhythm the want. And but me and Prophet though, many tours. You know, in England here, we do a lot of things, me and him together. I mean, when Prophet come here, he was the only man we could have used Eastern and Saint band for work with. You know them way there? And you see anything when me do, any dance, any party when me do, Prophet always there to support me. You know them way there? I'm there with him in my last moments, because I carry him go hospital. And Friday night him call me. When him usually call me, when not him call one of them, Zege, I say, Zaga, what I say? And I say, see it, I just come back from the hospital. I just finish him radiotherapy. And I say, I feel tired. And I say, don't worry yourself, man. I'm go see you tomorrow. I'm supposed to check him Saturday. And Saturday morning, him baby mother called me. I screamed on the phone. I just say, yeah, what? I come up there now. I load me there and I bed for them there. So I jump in my car and I reach a Bedford. First time I talked to my friend for 37 years and he not answer me. You know them with the naps. Cause Prophet always an answer, you know. You know, we have some really great moments. Some really great moments. We used to play Ludo every night. And Prophet hate lose. Me say Prophet hate lose. I'm a fact. Yes, man. From Grenfell Tower, man. That's why I'm sing on the Grenfell song too. You know what I'm saying? We are talking about me and him go back 38 years, you know. Yeah. You know them way there. And he's a man where me and him always a friend, no matter what. We go show me and him, you know. And when him call, when him sick and him call me and thing, and I mean for the past 4 weeks, Prophet being sick, that just take over my life completely. I don't get to do nothing else, you know. All Christmas Day, I'm there on the road. for Prophet because I have to organize this for him. I have to put this together for him. And you know, yeah, you know, me just Naps, come say something about Prophet because
how will you remember him as a brethren? How will you remember him?
Well, first of all, I'm going to remember him as a friend. Second of all, I'm going to remember him as an artist, and a very unique artist, you know, 1 in a million kind of artist. You know, you hear 50 people sing, and if Michael Prophet sing out of the 50, you can say, yo, a Prophet that. So yeah, at that history there, you know, Prophet, you know, and is a man who just take pride in himself. You never see a man take pride in himself like Prophet. Everything him have, from him clothes to him car to him jewelry, is a man who take pride seriously in himself. And is a man never want nothing from nobody. You know that, Naps. You know what I'm saying? He might come to you and him say, yo, what, I have a spliff or something, but is a man no want nothing from nobody. You know, is a man no, you know, very independent. Very, very independent. You know what I'm saying? And
prideful, you know?
Yeah, very, very prideful. One of the most proudest man me ever come across is Prophet. You know what I'm saying? Everything when him do, him do it with him pride. You know what I mean? There. So for me, for see him, you know, the day before him die, and then see him when him die, you know, that's a lasting memory for me. You know what I mean? There. That is, you know, there's no way we can ever forget that. And I'm glad that him called me and said to me, saying, yo, you want to do certain things to me, you know. Make sure say me youth them blah blah blah. And he never talk it in no way like him feel like say I got dead, you know. Because you couldn't tell Prophet say him out past still, you know. Him have that strength if he believe say, yo, me can come out of this, me can, you know, and I did if he do that as well, if he said to him, say, yo, you can come out of this, man, you can ride this, because me say, me there with him on a daily basis, me can go to hospital and, you know, even within the car, I know say him very uncomfortable within the car, but it's what we could do at the time until, you know, the hospital say, then we get the ambulance, say, take him back and forth and thing. And as I said, the Friday night him call me, and him there Finchley, and him say, see, me there Finchley, you know, ambulance I carry me home, you know. Feel tired though, you know, because him just done the radiotherapy, you know. And I say, all right, here we are, the brother, go and go sleep, man, and because I'll link you tomorrow anyway. And tomorrow never come. You know what I mean? Never come. And I wish me that I'd seen the day before. Because so much things that me want to talk to him about. And, you know, never get a chance to talk to him about it. And him know too. You know what I mean?
Things left unsaid, you know?
Many things left unsaid because, you know, yeah, man, we rode, you know, Naps, you know. It's a long road, you know, brethren. It's a long road, brethren.
Long road. He's one of them artists there where,
yeah, man.
We and Prophet never fall out, you know.
We never fall out.
We and Prophet never, more time, sometimes he might go like him a bigger brother and one bad way part of him thing.
Love that.
Until, I tell you earlier about the mischievousness, man.
Yeah, man.
That man love mischief, you know.
I'm laughing.
Laugh, you know. But he's a great brother, you know. Yeah. You know, it's not just music with We and Prophet.
Man.
It's not just with music with We and Prophet. We are talking about dance.
I tell you something. The first tune I produce is a Prophet tune. The very time I take up production, which was about clothes and skirt. Could be about 87, 88. I'm a producer tune with him called Jane. A matter of fact, the other day somebody sent me the label of the tune because at the time it wasn't even CD, it was 7-inch. So them send me the label the other day.
I made a president on school.
Yeah, man. But there's so much moments for talk about, you know. There's, you know, a bag of moments to talk about where, you know, it's almost like a book in a way.
Really have to write books there.
Oh God, me need to think about mine before me even start it, because Prophet wanted that next book. Yeah. You know them way there, because as I say, is that the first man wherever when Eastland scene, you know, I'm making pure #1. Prophet was the only man could have come to England, come use a band. No other person could use our band. But Prophet, you know them way there. So, you know, and yeah, man, and then he used to come. Prophet used to come because we used to do a lot of university show.
Yeah, man,
in
the
80s.
Yeah, man, and make a venue.
Yes, and make a venues. So Prophet used to come and even though I'm a build on it, remember, he used to just jump on stage and race and mash up the place. Because the whole way are green sleeve artists, the whole way are Jonja artists. So you know them way there. We are, you know, we are used the same rhythm.
And then we are young, man. And then we are young, man.
Yeah, man.
Then we are young youth.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? Yeah, you know.
Oh, Delroy. Respect, my brother. Respect.
Yes,
Respect. Anna.
Yes, well, when I'm going to talk about Michael Prophet, the first thing I would think about with the MP, yes, is this infectious smile that Michael Prophet have. That whenever Michael Prophet would come into a room, I saw him in here last in this room here, and it was just sunshine. Man, ever happy, given to a happy constitution. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is a phenomenal voice. Yes, a phenomenal voice. I'm going to say Michael Prophet had one of the greatest voices, not just as a reggae singer, but singers, period. Yeah? Like my last sing tune with Michael Prophet, a song called Love and Unity. Yeah? Where you hear as a youth, that was as a singer, coming up myself, I hear Michael Prophet sing a tune called Love and Unity, man, and it just reached me, goose pimples. You understand? So I'm saying is that Michael Prophet is a man that had one of the most unique voices on earth, and it is a pity that justice is not done in the music business, because if justice was done, then Michael Prophet would be, I mean, Mount Sinai as Rastafari people, yes, Mike is great, but worldwide, mass media never got the kind of recognition that he deserved as a great artist. Because I'm saying to a man, say Michael Prophet to me, in the same category as Bob Marley, and I'm not, someone might say no, but I'm saying that man, yes. You understand? He's up there with all the greats. Yes, and you know, not to forget the great great Yabiyu. Yes, not forget the great Yabiyu who produced some magnificent reggae music with Michael Prophet. And like I said, he was up there with all the greats. It's like, for me, I don't believe in the debt business in the sense that ordinary everyday people come say it's just the spirit lives. Yes? And Michael Prophet's spirit lives. It lives in his music. It lives in the whole of the people them that love Michael Prophet. So, like I said, I can't say enough about Michael Prophet, because it'll probably take me all week to start talking about Michael Prophet. But like I said, you know, Michael Prophet did some great works. And right now I believe that Michael gone up there in the Irish to the ancestors, His Majesty. Understand? So, Michael Prophet, give thanks for your life, my brother.
First up, Mr. Washington, blessed love we say. Yeah, we have to say greetings, you see me? We're talking about Michael Prophet. I man personally can't talk about him, because when he first come to England with gunman and mash up the place, it's I and my brother Keith Douglas used to sing background vocal theme. All them big show that we do back in the early day, the venue and them place there. It's Tony Terra Douglas and Keith Douglas was his background vocalist. And me and him and my brother used to par up and down. I got introduced to Prophet through him cousin, Eva Dowse. Because me and him cousin used to par, you see me? So when Prophet land him a stay him cousin. So through me and him a par, Prophet come in, gunman have tear down the whole place. And him find out say I and I sing. And I call him my brother Keith Douglas and we start do the tour them with him I do all the place. And when I mad the show, I ever think about is down at the venue. I can't forget that show they done at Victoria. Murder Michael Prophet. So I can say I respect and rest in peace, my brother. You don't know one love you there with the same way in our heart for Ivor and Ivor. Same?
Yes, terror. Respect. All I have to say is a big respect. It was a big respect and it was a big honor for me to work with my brethren, Michael Prophet, for over 20 years doing live shows. My name is Henry Matic. I'm a trombone player and I work with a band called Dubba Santi for Culture Promotions, which was Michael Prophet band. I was also privileged to be on his very last show. I worked his very last show in Israel, Jerusalem, and which you can see on the internet still, you will see it on the internet. But what I can tell you about Michael, every show Michael do, it was like electric. He was in his element. Because there's two things that Michael Prophet, other than his family, there was two things that Michael Prophet really loved. One was being on stage, and the other thing was his car. Him love drive. He loved drive everywhere. Him loving Mercedes, and that's where me and him did have we never have a tussle, but through the two-way drive with Mercedes, I saw it go, Him love drive car, him love drive everywhere. Him coming like Chuck Berry. You see like how Chuck Berry drive everywhere, that's how Michael Prophet did love drive. Yeah. And you see when he was on stage, he was not even a different person. He was a more electric person. And he loved being on stage. That was that was his mission in life, to be on stage, So it was a privilege and an honor for me, Henry Matic, to work with the great Michael Prophet, Mr. Ians. And that was a respect, Rastafari. So last year.
Michael Prophet. Well, all me know Michael Prophet, me did on One Love, and me talk about Capleton the Prophet, and the original Prophet walking. How One Lover say to me, say, no man, a false prophet you talk about, man. See the original prophet here. And me I say, prophet. And One Lover said to me, say, yeah man, the original prophet that. And me I say, when me clap back in my head, me I say, gunman standing over me. And him say, yes, a Michael Prophet that. And me look upon the man from him head to him toe. And me I say, are you near Michael Prophet? Him I say, yeah man. So me I say, the true name gunman, are you? Him I say, yeah. So me I say, me know a few, but I don't know you. And this is the first time me get to see the brother live and in living color. And from that moment, every weekend when we buck up down a One Love, me and him always at all our vibes. He might tell me about music. He might tell me about reggae music. He might tell me about back in the 80s when they tune them bus. He might tell me about the business mash up. Rete. Me do some boom, me go up on YouTube, do some research. And me say about this youth is a legend. Otherwise from the one tune there, when me know this man is a real legend. And I saw me and him have a banner. Me I say, John him say anytime I go have a next show, I go invite you. Yeah? And me I One Love you so reason from time to time about music. And me I say One Love, you know me want to hear you play. One night time I tell me about Labrador Grove days and when me used to go on with that. Me I say, Jano, yeah man, One Love, you know me want to hear you play, me want to listen to you live. And Prophet, me want to listen to you. Prophet say anytime me I do a next show live, me I go invite you to come. And Selassie, I know me never get the chance to listen to him live. Yet, me never get the chance to hear One Love live in a dance hall, but me still have the opportunity to hear One Love a play, but me never get the chance to see Michael Prophet perform live in a dance hall or on a stage show. That's how me know the man, MP Michael Prophet